Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Cali from 360 Nails invited me and other nail art enthusiasts to participate in her My Favorite Glitter Polish collaboration. So all we have to do is to share our favorite glitter nail polish in one of our videos. So here's mine. For today, I'll be sharing with you guys my favorite glitter nail polishes. I won't be including holographic, iridescent, shimmer, and flaky nail polishes. So let's get started. The nail polishes I'm showing you guys is not ordered in any particular way. Plus, I'm sharing with you nail polishes from local brands and international brands. Here's the first one. This is Limelight by Caronia. It has a very subtle green tint for a base and is packed with two sizes of green glitters. Next is Emerald Shimmer by Caronia. It's an emerald shaded fine glitter polish with clear base. Third we have is Sapphire Glow by Caronia. It has a clear base with fine sapphire blue fine glitters. Next is Platinum Glitter by Caronia. This one has a clear base with a short confetti-like silver micro glitters. This is Christmas Polka by Caress. It has red and silver glitters infused with a bit of holographic glitters. Yes, I know I won't be including any holographic nail polishes in this video, but it has a combination of two kinds of glitters, so I just included this one. Then we have Gold Glitters by Tenten Nail Polish. This is a mixture of silver and gold glitters, but you can see the gold glitters shine even more than the silver glitters. One bottle of this is so packed with glitters that you don't need a sponge to do a full coverage. Next is Beach Party by Nature Republic. This has a lighter shade of blue than Caronia's Sapphire Glow. Plus, Beach Party is infused with a larger size of glitter. Then we have Snowflake Purr by Mimiso. It has yellow gold, magenta, and white hexagon glitters, and it comes with white confetti glitters as well. Next is Hello Sweetheart by Essence Cosmetics. It has a combination of gold, peach, and yellow confetti glitters. Then we have Once I Was an Angel by Essence Cosmetics. It has a mixture of black and silver confetti glitters on a clear base. And lastly, we have Sparked by Wet n Wild. It's packed with silver and pink glitters on a pink tinted clear base. And that's my list. I would like to thank Cali from 360 Nails for inviting me to do this collaboration. Do you guys have any favorite glitter nail polish in your collection? If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!